Don't worry, Thomas. Judy and Jerome will have you back on the rails in no time. Thanks, Murdoch. And you too, Judy and Jerome. No problem, Thomas, said Jerome. Just trying to help a friend, said Judy. Soon, Thomas was back on the rails. So tell me, Thomas, do you have any damage on you? No, my paint is just scratched up, that's all. Okay, good. Now, Murdoch, can you please take us away, please? No problem, said Murdoch. Murdoch was soon coupled up to Judy and Jerome, and he puffed away. Well, said Thomas to himself, I guess I should get going to work. And with that, Thomas puffed away quickly.